I'm back in California, about to hop on the bike and do that 30-mile round-trip ride. And today I will take the, in this one backpack right here, very small, very compact, I'm going to be taking the Mavic Pro and getting some shots. Unfortunately, that's not going to be enough to fill up an entire vlog. So what I've thought to do is basically show some of the places that in last week's vlog that I went to in Paris that I ate at. That'll be kind of a rounded out vlog. Right now I'm in Redondo Beach, and it's time to go fly the Mavic. I don't know if this came out on the video or not, but this is the second time a bird has tried to attack the drone, so hopefully it came out. After you land at Charles de Gaulle and go through the bag drag of customs, you hop on the bus for what is generally an hour or more drive to the hotel. The initial ride is along a graffiti and traffic-filled highway, but once you arrive into Paris itself, the sights tend to wake you up. Right around here is the restaurant I'm going to go to called Revel du XV. Literally a little mom and pop restaurant run by Olivier and Nadia in the Montparnasse area of Paris. bistro by the Eiffel Tower, and that's their menu. This is the restaurant, and today I want to have 2 crepes. One a ham and cheese, and the other one a Nutella and coconut. Just brought some popcorn over. I don't want to sound ungrateful or anything, because that was really a nice touch, but woefully inadequate. Well, there's the first crepe, ham and cheese. I always worry about the touristy places, but this is honestly very delicious. He had me pegged. He knew I wanted Nutella, coconut, and banana. Oh my goodness, would you look at this? It looks perfect. Generally I don't go to touristy places, but honestly the Eiffel Cafe, very, very good. I'm on my way back, about 5 miles left to go. Those are some rather interesting clouds.